Hello and welcome to Keegan's Music Corner. Today we're going to learn how to read the lines on the Bass Clef Stave. Our stave is made up of 5 lines and 4 spaces. A bass clef has 2 names. It's called the bass clef and it's also called the F clef because it starts on the F line. We start on F, we go up to A, down to the bottom in 2 circles. It's kind of like half of a love heart. Now we have 5 lines and 4 spaces. Our lines go like this: G, B, D, F and A. We have a saying for those. Good boy deserves fruit always. And we have 4 spaces on the Bass Clef Stave. They are A, C, E, and G. All cows eat grass. These are 2 easy sayings to help you remind yourself. So good boys deserve fruit always, and all cows eat grass. If you start from the bottom line, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. So as you can see, we're just using our musical alphabet of A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And once we get to G, we restart at A. I hope that helps you read the notes in the Bass Clef Stave more easier.